Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious little boy named Ethan. Every night, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Ethan's grandmother would tell him bedtime stories that whisked him away to far-off places. One evening, as the moon hung low in the sky, Ethan asked his grandmother for a different kind of story. He wanted to hear about a place no one had ever been. With a twinkle in her eye, his grandmother began. In a land not so far away, hidden deep within a forest, there lies a place called the Magic Forest. This forest is said to be enchanted, filled with wonders beyond imagination. Ethan's eyes grew wide with excitement. He listened intently as his grandmother continued the story. In the heart of the magic forest, there stands a colossal tree, taller than any mountain. Its branches reach high into the sky, and its roots delve deep into the earth. This tree, known as the Tree of Wishes, has the power to make dreams come true. Legend has it that anyone who finds it can make one wish, and it will be granted. Ethan couldn't contain his enthusiasm. He wanted to visit the magic forest and make a wish more than anything in the world. His grandmother smiled and said, "Well, Ethan, every journey begins with a single step. If you ever decide to seek out the magic forest, you must be brave and kind, for only those with a pure heart can find it." The following morning, Ethan set out on his adventure. He packed a knapsack with some snacks, a map he had drawn himself, and a compass given to him by his grandmother. With determination in his heart, he ventured into the dense forest surrounding his village. Days turned into weeks as Ethan explored deeper into the forest. He encountered talking animals, sparkling fireflies, and even a mischievous sprite who guided him on his quest. Each encounter taught him valuable lessons about kindness, patience, and humility. One fateful day, after overcoming many trials, Ethan stumbled upon a clearing in the forest. In the center stood the awe-inspiring Tree of Wishes, bathed in a golden glow. He knew he had found the magic forest at last. With trembling hands, Ethan made his wish. He wished for happiness and prosperity for his village, just as his grandmother had taught him to be kind and selfless. As he made his wish, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves of the tree, and Ethan felt a warmth in his heart. The following morning, Ethan awoke in his own bed, unsure if it had all been a dream. But when he looked out the window, he saw that his village was more vibrant and joyful than ever. The fields were filled with abundant crops, and laughter echoed through the streets. Ethan realized that his wish had come true. He rushed to tell his grandmother, who smiled and said, "The magic forest rewards those who seek it with a pure heart." Ethan learned that the real magic was in the goodness and kindness he had spread throughout his journey. From that day on, he continued to cherish the bedtime stories his grandmother told him, knowing that the greatest adventures could be found in the world around him and within his own heart. And so, Ethan's quest for the magic forest became a legendary story in his village, passed down through generations, reminding everyone that the power of kindness and selflessness could make dreams come true.